Ready.
And then you have race number 2 on its way. Once again, this is the very first time that we are hosting this event in the Philippines, the Asian Open, the Short Track Speed Skating Trophy 2014. For race number 2, first across the line, racer